TechGate built, now run this race. Specs so mad, it's a digital flex. Power in my hands, no need to guess.
i9 chip, 24 cores on the brain, 14th gen. I don't play no games. Asus 5570 OC flame, 16 gigs RAM, melt that frame. DDR5, 64 gigs in the vault, 6 hours of speed, no lag, no halt. Samsung Nevermind 2 TB flash, SanDisk 4 TB backup stash.
TechGate built, I don't fold. White piece heart made of gold. Game or grind, I'm in control. RGB lit, ice cold soul.
C79 core Wi-Fi locked, ID cooling, time stay dropped. Cougar FE, white case popped, nearly PSU power non-stop. No cap, this rig's elite, workstation clean performance peak. From Karachi streets to global reach, TechGate's throne, I preach, I teach.
Legacy coded in every byte. Father's pride in the glowing light. Built with love, built to fight. White lightning, take that flight. TechGate built, I don't fold. White beast heart made of gold. Game or grind, I'm in control. RGB lit, ice cold soul. This ain't just tech, it's truth. Power, legacy, living proof. Built to play, built to slay. TechGate leads, I'll pave the way. Legacy, living proof. Built to play, built to slay. TechGate leads, I pave the way.